Hi everyone, Brett back how to do scale modeling with a scale model Quickie. Today we're going to look at a new tool from Dspiae handheld mini vise. Good little tool. I've been using it for a while. Here's the box. That's what it looks like. You know, beautiful Dspiae box. Like I said, I've got it out and been using it. And this is what it looks like. Whoops. This is what it looks like. Fits in the hand, comes off the stand easily. Fits easily in the hand. You can adjust it, the pivot angle on it, any way you want. It comes with 6 or 8 pins, a rubber tube to cover the pins to protect your surface, and it's got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 holes in the top, so you can adjust these pins any way you like. I find this is really good. Excuse me. I've used it to hold the cockpit of my F-15 I was building. The fuselage, front fuselage half of the F-15. It's fully adjustable. So I just spin it out like this to start getting it out. Okay. Like I said, it's got a pivot on it. I don't think you can tighten or loosen it. But anyway, I was using it for these engines. So put the engine in, hold it just tight, but it's not too tight. See, it still wiggles around. Rubber's protecting it. I can sit it on here. I can adjust it up to 90-degree angle or anything in between. I can hold it, turn it around, turn it upside down. It's very sturdy. The weight of it is, if I were to put the scale, so the base itself is some grams or ounces. Can't tell. Grams. So the base is 43.4 grams. Whole thing with the engines 198.7. Switch to ounces. 1.5 ounces. 7 ounces. Because I can't do the math. So anyway, I found this highly useful. I've had it for about a month now. I ordered it from, oh, see? You loosen the base here, and that loosens the arm. So, unscrew this. Arm will flop wherever you want it. Tighten it back down. See, I've been using it for a month and just learned that. So it's a nice added bonus. So you're not going to strip this out over time unless you force it through like I've been doing. Anyway, this isn't available currently in the US as far as I know. I haven't seen anybody. I ordered it from Hong Kong direct, Dspiae. I'm hoping to have some in the store to sell eventually, but we'll find out. Like I said, seems highly useful, especially to you figure painters, because you're using your other Dspiae vise, this one that I reviewed a long time ago, which also it's a good vise. Don't get me wrong. But if you want to hold it in your hand, this is much easier than this. You know? And it spreads out. Get the engine out of here. It's got a good amount of distance. So when you get up to here, you can see it loosens up. too much. So I'd say right about there is your good usage point, which is about 1.25 inches. So you need your bigger one for things bigger than that. But again, I do it like this. Speeds up tightening and loosening of it. So there you have it. Scale model Quickie, Dspiae, mini handheld vise, or handheld mini vise. Available from Hong Kong, or hopefully through some stores in America shortly. Thank you for watching the Scale Model Quickie. If you have any ideas for what you'd like to see, if I have them, I'll do them. Until next time, sit your ass at the bench like I am. Work on a model. Look, I'm going to work on the engine. And I'm going to use the vise to do it. Gonna sit it right in there. Tighten her down. And now, I'm going to put my distributor and my wires in. No problem at all. Thanks for watching. See you next time.